Drift car, new toy to play with. Let's unbox it. You get a charger, Lion LiPo battery, pack of tools, and you get a spare set of wheels, guys. Slicks, that hard plastic stuff, you know what I mean? Yeah, get that drift on, man. Get your drift on. It looks kind of decent, right? And then you got your transmitter, pew pew. Yeah, point and shoot, whatever you want to call it, pistol grip, I don't know. So to charge this battery, guys, you just get the balance connector, you plug that into there, you get a USB port, you plug it into a USB port, it's charging. Once that stops flashing and it's stable green, your battery will be charged. To get your transmitter working, guys, you just slide that open there, 4 AA's, and you're good to go. We got some contact foams here, guys, just fitted to the 124019. Keep forgetting the numbers of these cars, guys. It's too much, man. WO Toys, come on, man. Give your cars a name, man. You get me? Desert Truck something, I don't know. Muscle Flame. What kind of name is that? Desert Truck something. Buggy, I don't know what. Just name them something else, innit? Numbers are too much now. You bring out too much cars. Yeah? So let's have a look under the body of this Mustang. Do the tires go script? Nope, no they don't. But so you got your LEDs there hooked up, your little ESC all in one, your little micro motor, brushed motor, you got your servo down there, plastic chassis, feels kind of strong, got your rubber tires there, feel kind of grippy. Let's see what it's gonna do. Boom. So we're here with the drift car, guys. See what speed it's pulling. GPS, wanna test them out, see what it's saying. We got buzz there. Look at those lights. Yeah, and you got them lights with the red. Then you got just red. It's not that bright out here though. But here's a little. Let's see what it's saying. Restart the clock. Started, zeroed out, zeroed out. Is it reading? Yep, it's reading. We don't need to go that far, guys, because it's already at top speed. Whoa. Oh, we flipped it. Oh, yes. Whoops. What happened there? What happened there? Ugh. Right. What did we get? Ooh, a 17. Not even an 18, guys. A 17. 17 miles an hour. I think we can make that a bit faster later on. Little beast. Comes. Ooh. What's in there? Might get stuck, so we're not gonna chance it. Here he comes. It's a banger.